There are different apology love languages. Mine is taking responsibility and showing or giving planned change. Don't come to me talking about, I didn't mean to. Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to. The intent is cute or whatnot. An example of what I need in that is taking accountability for the action. So, finding a broken egg on the floor. That, oh, I didn't mean to break the egg. Ooh, oopsie, sorry. I didn't know it was broken. Oh, I didn't see that broken egg. I don't know why you mad about the egg being broken. None of that is apologizing, and it definitely don't work for me. What I would need in that instance is, I really don't care if you say you're sorry, you broke the egg, but I broke the egg. I'll clean it up. It'll be faster if you help me clean it up. Are you willing to help? That is my apology love language. Taking responsibility and plan change. We got to plan how we going to clean it up. I don't care about no intentions because the intentions ain't going to clean shit. That is most important to me.